What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at some studio monitor speakers. Now, if you're needing some speakers to, enhance your studio space, enhance your gaming space, if you're thinking about setting up a podcast or just help give you a more professional audio sound, then this may be something that you may want to take a look at. So let's go ahead and open this up, and then we're going to go over the specifications. Now, this is going to be the SMX-5BT by Gemini. Now, the 5 is going to indicate that this is a 5-inch driver, and BT is going to indicate that this is Bluetooth. So this is going to be a nice, versatile studio speaker that has a lot of connectivity options. Now, when you open up the box, there's going to be a couple of things that you'll get. Of course, you're going to have your user manual. They provide you with a couple of audio cables. So you're going to get a 3.5 millimeter jack to your standard coaxial cable, your left and right audio. And then you have a straight 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. That way, if you want to hook up some headphones, you can plug it straight into the front of the speaker. They also provide you with speaker wire, because this can act as a standalone speaker monitor if you want to use it like that, or you can have a left and right stereo setup, and you would just use the speaker wire to go from the back of this speaker to the back of this speaker, and now you have left and right audio. Now, once again, what's really cool about this speaker is going to be the connectivity. Now, this is a powered speaker, so it's going to give you 200 watts of power to power your speakers. You have your port here. You have your mode, whether you're going to be going straight into the audio connections here, or if you're going to be connecting by Bluetooth. This is going to be your wired connection to go to your other speaker. You have your RCA, your left and right. You have a TRS, left and right input. So this is going to be great if you're going to be connecting a microphone from XLR to TRS or straight into the TRS input. That's going to be great. And then you have your tuning options. You can adjust the highs and lows to make sure that you have the right sound that you need. Now, on the front of the speaker is how you're going to turn the speaker on. Just hit that button, you get power. You also have an aux-in. So that way, if you have a device that is, maybe a CD player or another media device you want to plug in and get the audio from that device to the speakers, you can do that right from the front. You have a headphone jack if you want to listen privately to that audio. And then you have your main volume control here on the front. Now, once again, these are going to be some great speakers if you're wanting to replace your speakers, especially on your computer setup, whether you're just an average computer user or if you're into making some type of media content, such as video or music or podcasting, any type of audio editing software. This is going to be a nice upgrade. Not only does this upgrade your audio quality, but also the look of the speaker itself. I like the way the 5-inch driver and the 1-inch tweeter is exposed. Gives you that nice retro but modern look. So these look really nice when you get these displayed on your setup. So guys, if you're interested in upgrading your audio quality, whether you're an average user or you're getting into the more creative space or upgrading your DJ equipment, this may be something that you may want to take a look at. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.